This is Michaela Stroud, 4-H Program Assistant for the Southwind Extension District with another Southwind Stockpot series video. Today, I will be making a cheesy broccoli soup. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, for this simple and delicious soup, it is really straightforward and easy with the ingredients. You need 2 cans of either cream of mushroom or cream of chicken condensed soup. Today I'm using cream of mushroom. 2 16-ounce bags of chopped broccoli, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 1 bag of bacon bits. This bag is 4.5 ounces, so it's the bigger bag that I picked up from the grocery store. For our seasonings, we have a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of minced dried onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper. And to finish it all, we have 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Alright, to begin with, we're going to turn our stock pot onto a medium-high heat. So for me, I put it right at a 7, and we simply are going to add all of our ingredients. So I've already added my 2 cans of condensed cream of mushroom soup. There was my second bag of chopped broccoli. Here's my bag of bacon bits. First can of evaporated milk. Second can of evaporated milk. All of my seasonings. Get it all out there. And last but not least, we definitely don't want to forget our cheese. After a quick stir, this is what it looks like with all of the ingredients combined. Has beautiful color, especially with the broccoli and the cheese and the bacon bits. Over medium-high heat in the stock pot. Bring this up to a good simmer, so for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to reduce it down to a lower heat and let it simmer and just sit for another 20 to 30 minutes. You can make this recipe using a slow cooker, and you can just put it on low heat for a total of 4 hours. So it's really versatile. You can use it on the stove top or the slow cooker. Alrighty, so we have let it simmer for around 30 to 40 minutes. Now it's time to review. Ooh, that looks really good. So now it's just time to serve up into a bowl. And then you can enjoy with any type of extra shredded cheese, sour cream, anything that your heart desires. So this has been the recipe focusing on a cheesy broccoli soup. So I hope you and your family get together soon and have some quality time together, cooking together and also enjoying it. So share those memories and those moments. This has been Michaela Stroud, 4-H Program Assistant. Till next time, keep making the best better.